Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you're looking at the how-to lady.
In this video, we will offer information related to performing toning exercises. These exercises are great in helping you maintain your weight and health. However, always consult with a physician before starting any exercise program.
Yes, so we're going to dive right in and we're going to talk about various exercises that will also help you maintain your health. So if you're interested, stay tuned and we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park.
Though this workout can be completed without the use of equipment, be sure when using community equipment to clean, check the equipment for malfunctions, and make the necessary adjustments for your workout. After cleaning, inspecting, and adjusting, properly mount your equipment. Here you want to place your hands on the handle in order to brace yourself to lift your legs up. After proper position is established, tighten your tummy and we will begin performing our crunches. These can be performed with or without equipment. You can lie on the floor to do this. So let's begin round 1. Here I am demonstrating the ab toning exercise. Hands behind head, lean back and lean up. You're using your leg and abdominal muscles to perform this exercise. You feel free to pause the video and do more. Keep going. Round 2. We will continue to perform abdominal exercises in a different way. In round 2, we are extending our arms out front and leaning back like before and pulling back up. You are still working not only your abdominals and your legs, but your arms. Keep going. Round 3, we will continue the abdominal exercises, but in a different way. In round 3, we are extending our arms horizontally, continuing to lean back and lean up using your legs and abdominal muscles. At any point during the exercise, feel free to pause the video and continue to add more repetitions. Keep going. Congratulations if you've made it through this toning session. We've toned our abdominals, our legs, and arms. You have done a great job. Always feel free to go back to the session and repeat if needed. You can also pause the video at any time to continue doing more repetitions for any form of the exercises. Always remember to consult a physician before starting any exercise program. You are great and you did it. See you at the next session.
Thank you so much for watching, my friends, and I look
forward to seeing you in the next video.